When a stray dog fell in this canal, a group of kind people came together to demonstrate what we humans can accomplish when we work together. This female loggerhead turtle had a net stuck so far down its throat that it made it difficult for the animal to eat or even breathe. But thankfully, the turtle found these kind people who were willing to help. These people encountered a wild wolf who was in desperate need of CPR. Despite being one of the most dangerous animals in the world for humans, they did not even hesitate to risk their own safety to save the poor animal. This baby deer was hopelessly stuck in the mud, and it appeared the situation was dire. But suddenly, a human comes to its aid, skillfully operating an excavator with pinpoint accuracy, rescuing the baby from the sticky situation. And in this video, you'll see how an excavator was similarly used to rescue a bear. When a baby deer fell down and got stuck in a fence, the mother struggled to free its baby. But these people heard the screams of the young fawn and came to their rescue. After a long mission, the baby deer was finally free and could reunite with his grateful mother.